Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to bold and italics in WhatsApp. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp and go to one message. Now you can see I'm here in my WhatsApp Messenger. Now to make this chat bold, first of all type your message and now put asterisk on the both side of this text. And now you can see my text is bold. And now just send this. And you can see this text is bold. Just put asterisk on both sides of this text. And again to make italics, I'll write the message again. You can see this is my message. Now to italics, put underscore on the both side. Now I am searching for underscore at first and last. And you can see this text is converted to italics and just send. So in this way, by typing asterisk on both sides, we can bold, and typing underscore, we can make this text italics. So in this way, we can bold and italics text in WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.